Hi class! Welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is on composition writing. We'll attempt to identify various types of composition writing, list the elements of composition, and write different types of compositions. Alright, let's begin! A composition is the way a writer arranges his words and sentences to produce a coherent and meaningful work. When you master composition writing, you can boast of your written communication skills. This is because many people can talk, but not everyone can logically arrange their thoughts and ideas in a sequential manner. Composition writing tasks your understanding of grammar and your logical reasoning skills. This is why we study composition. There isn't just one type of composition writing. There are 4 basic types of compositions. They include narrative compositions, descriptive compositions, argumentative compositions, and expository compositions. Let's briefly talk about each type. The first is narrative compositions. Narrative compositions take a storytelling format. The story could contain facts, sequential events, or a narration of an event that happened to the writer themselves or someone else. Next is descriptive composition. This type of writing seeks to provide the reader much detail about the nature of something. The purpose of this type of writing is to help the reader visualize what you are writing about. Details that can be added to this type of composition include color, size, smell, feel, etc. Argumentative compositions take a more debative approach. The writer usually takes a position on a matter, whether in support or against the motion. The composition will then provide substantial arguments depending on the position the writer takes. In this kind of composition, the writer needs to have enough information, points, facts, data, and examples to prove that he or she is correct. Finally, we have expository compositions. These compositions are explanatory in nature. This type of writing is similar to descriptive composition, but they are different. While descriptive compositions seek to help writers visualize, expository compositions help readers to understand and know more about a topic. And with that, we have now come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we learned what a composition is. We also learned about the 4 types of composition. See you in the next lesson.